Today, we are talking all about how to build as much muscle as you possibly can, as fast as you possibly can. Because let's be honest, that's what we're all trying to do, right? We're trying to get big, we're trying to get massive, and do it as short of time as possible. So, how exactly can you go about building as much muscle without really becoming a fat slob? Because let's be honest, none of us wants to look like a fat slob. There really are three key things, and really you could talk about it a lot more. And there's so many videos out there that talk about how you can gain muscle the best. We're going to make sure that you're doing everything you possibly can to get the results you're looking for, to make the most progress, and really just put on the most amount of high quality muscle that you are able to put on. The first thing that you have to make sure that you're doing is work hard enough. Did you get that? You have to work hard. Really, let's be very, very blunt here. If you're in this game, if you're into bodybuilding or muscle building or anything like that, and you think that you can get away with just maybe putting in half a day's work or half of a workout, you're sorely, sorely mistaken. If you want to just kind of work a little bit and get results, pick a different sport. Let's be real here. Pick something like ping pong, or I think ping pong you even have to work really hard at. Honestly, if you want to get results at all for anything, you have to work hard. Bodybuilding is absolutely one of the hardest working sports that you can be a part of. If you expect to get any kind of results, whether you're enhanced or completely natural, you better be willing to put in an extreme amount of work. Work your butt off if you feel like you're going to get any result. So again, the first thing you need to make sure that you're doing is be ready to work as hard as possible. The next thing we're going to talk about is your protein intake. Your nutrition has a huge, huge amount to do with your results. Whether you gain muscle, or really just waste your time at the gym kind of looking like you're really doing nothing, day at the spa or something like that. No, if you want to get results in the gym, you're working your butt off, get results by actually backing it up with nutrition. To do that, your protein has to be on point. Yes, your protein better be on point. This can mean anywhere from 0.7 to 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight that you are. So if you weigh 200 pounds, shoot for 200 grams of protein every single day. Don't worry about anything else. Worry about the protein. Making sure that it's high quality as best you can. Get the majority of it from real food. Chicken breast, tuna, steak. You kind of get the gist here. Protein has to be in your diet. You can use shakes too. I use shakes. We all do. But plain and simple, if you want to build muscle, you have to eat protein. Last thing that we're going to discuss is your workouts. Now, we talked about you have to work hard enough, and that should go without saying. Fortunately, a bunch of people think that you don't have to work hard, but whatever. But you have to work hard doing the correct movement. Don't go into the gym thinking you can just sling a bunch of weight around, moving really horribly, putting in just crap for form, and getting a result out of it. Find exercises, find workouts that your muscles connect to. Ask any bodybuilder that has put on actual mass. Mind muscle connection is real. It does work. And if you feel like you're going to make gains without it, again, you're wrong. There really is no debate about it. Anybody that makes gains, they have that connection with their muscles. Build that workout, build the exercises around movements that you connect to. If you don't feel the weight in the muscle that's supposed to be worked, it doesn't matter who says that that's a good exercise. If you don't feel it, leave it out. Find exercises that work for you. Make sure that you give the basics a try, because you need to at least attempt those. They are the basics for a reason. But when all is said and done, if you can't feel a certain exercise, either you're doing it improperly, So you should find a trainer that can help you, or just go without. Find something else to do. It's all about you and getting the connection that you need with the muscle. Workouts and exercises can be really hard to structure a program if you're not exactly sure what to do. So I created a video right here. Helps you create your own workout program that'll work just for you. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like getting tips on muscle building or burning fat, really just getting in shape yourself. So make sure you hit the thumbs up, subscribe, do all that stuff. See you later.